करके बताएंगे. Then we identify which action is this. Okay? Ready? हमने दोनों ने आपको कुछ एक्शंस दिखाए हैं इसमें. नाउ यू सी द एक्शंस. यस यस. Our first action is this is a crying. Crying. जब आप रोते हैं तो आप क्या कर रहे होते हैं? Crying. Crying. Say crying. है ना? Then next action is this is laughing. Laughing. This is laughing. Okay. Then next is thinking. जब हम सोचते हैं तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Thinking. आप कैसे सोचते हैं? आज मम्मा इवनिंग में क्या डिनर बनाएंगे? मुझे तो कुछ टेस्टी खाना है. थिंकिंग है ना? थिंकिंग. ओके. से थिंकिंग. डू एक्शन ऑल्सो. फर्स्ट इज क्राइंग. से क्राइंग. डू एक्शन विथ मी. क्राइंग. एंड laughing. Laughing. Then thinking. जब हम सोचते हैं तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Thinking. Crying means रोना. Crying means रोना. Laughing means हंसना. Laughing means हंसना. Then thinking means सोचना. Thinking means सोचना. Thinking. Thinking. Then walking. You go for morning walk. Yes, and you go for evening walk like this. Walking. Yes, say walking. Walking means चलना. Walking. Walking. Then walking. Then singing. Yay. action words today we learn, and we had already learned. हमने इससे पहले वाले वीडियोस में भी एक्शन वर्ड्स सीखे थे, तो हम उन्हें भी रिवाइज करेंगे. The first action word is snap your finger. Snap your finger. Snap your finger. Snap your finger. Very good. Snap your finger. Snap your finger. See the sound of snapping finger. Okay. Snap your finger. Snap your finger. What are you doing? Snapping. Snap your finger. Okay. Then jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump up high. Yes. Jump up high. Very good. This is jumping. Jumping. Snap your fingers. Then jumping. Very good. Then tap your feet. Tap your feet. You see, listen the sound. Tap your feet. Tap your feet. Very good. And walk. Walking. Walking. And clapping. Clapping. Use your two hands, palms. Clapping. Yes. This is clapping. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. है ना, ये सारे एक्शन वर्ड्स हमने पहले सीख चुके हैं. फिर आज हमने 5 एक्शन वर्ड्स सीखे हैं, जो है dancing, singing, laughing, crying and thinking. Okay? And we had already learned walk, snap, snap, jump, tap and clap. Okay, so do all these actions. Okay, and do these actions with me. Okay, do all these actions with me. Ready? Ready, steady, go. Very good. The first action is dancing. So dance, dance, balle balle. Say dance, balle balle. Very good. Say dancing, dancing. Then singing. Yay, singing, singing. Very good. Then laughing. Ha 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 ha. Laughing, laughing. and once again we repeat the action one more time. Okay? The first is dance